Nepal's geographical and cultural diversity have not only contributed to its unique beauty, but have also caused challenges for this Himalaya state. The trauma of more than 11 years of armed conflict, which ended in 2006, combined with frequent natural disasters and political instability, have greatly hampered the development of the country. It has caused more than 1/3 of the population to live below the poverty line with inappropriate access to basic services. Against this backdrop, the Nepal Red Cross Society has been providing its humanitarian services to the most vulnerable, abiding to its 7 fundamental principles: humanity, impartiality, neutrality, independence, voluntary service, unity, and universality. The Nepal Red Cross Society was established on 4th September 1963. It attained its recognition from the International Committee of Red Cross in 1964 and the same year was affiliated to International Federation of Red Cross and Red Crescent Societies. Since then, the Nepal Red Cross Society, with support from numerous partners, has focused its services in disaster risk reduction and disaster management, health and care in the communities, promotion of humanitarian values, and strengthening the capacity of its organization.
सांगठनिक हिसाबले नेपाल रेड क्रस सोसाइटीको 75 जिल्लामा शाखाहरू छन्, उपशाखाहरू छन्, जुनियर युवा सर्कलहरू छन् र यिनै संगठन र संयन्त्रको माध्यमबाट अधिकतम रूपमा मानवीय शक्तिको परिचालन गरेर नेपाल रेड क्रस सोसाइटीले आफ्ना गतिविधिहरू सञ्चालन गर्दै आएको छ।
Natural disasters are regular phenomena in Nepal. The geographical and meteorological interface, climate change and its consequences affect many poor communities. Nepal Red Cross volunteers are at the front line of disaster response. To respond to natural disasters, the Nepal Red Cross Society has established a nationwide network of organizational units and warehouses. In addition, the Nepal Red Cross Society works with communities to reduce their disaster risks. The aim of disaster risk reduction initiatives is to strengthen community-level disaster preparedness, to implement risk mitigation measures, to introduce local early warning systems, and to strengthen sources of livelihood and response mechanisms.
अब नेपाल रेड क्रस को चाहिँ रणनीति यो चाहिँ खास गरिकन मानवीय संगठन भन्छौं र मानवीय संगठनमा पनि यो रिलिफ उद्धार गर्ने संस्थाको रूपमा रेड क्रस परिचित छ।
Due to the lack of basic health services in the country, the Nepal Red Cross has been living its auxiliary role in support of the government of Nepal. The Nepal Red Cross Society is the only mandated organization in the country to provide blood. With the basic concept of safe and voluntary blood donation, it has been able to motivate thousands of blood donors over the past 4 decades and through this saved numerous lives.
हामीलाई जब ब्लड चाहिन्छ त्यसपछि हामी जब डाक्टरले प्रिस्क्राइब गरिसकेपछि यो ब्लड यो ग्रुपको ब्लड चाहिन्छ भन्ने कुरा भइसकेपछि हामी चाहिँ नेपाल रेड क्रस सोसाइटीको ब्लड बैंकमा गएर त्यो रिक्वेस्ट गर्छौं। ब्लड नपाएको भए धेरै जना साथीभाइ दिदीबहिनी दाजुभाइलाई गुमाउनु पर्थ्यो होला हामीले।
For prompt and effective emergency services, the Nepal Red Cross Society has been providing ambulance service in 56 districts.
एम्बुलेन्स सेवाहरू पनि हामीले रेड क्रसबाट पाइरहेको छौं हैन। जरुरी भएको बेलामा हामी रेड क्रसमा सिधै चाहिँ फोन गर्दाखेरि पनि उहाँले उपलब्ध गराउनुहुन्छ।
Due to lack of emergency health services throughout the country, first aid services have a particular importance and relevance in Nepal. The Nepal Red Cross has been working closely with communities to build their capacities as first responders to health emergencies. Its work with the communities includes safe drinking water, hygiene and sanitation programs.
हामी जुन दिनदेखि रेड क्रसमा तालिम गर्न थाले भने अब सबै अलिअलि कुरा नि सबै हामीहरु थाहा भयो। अब पानीको पनि प्रयोग भयो, पानीले पनि छोपेर यस्तो गरेर खानु भनेर तालिममा सिकायो। अनि त्यो अब हप्ता दिनमा त्यो सरसफाइ पनि गर्न सिकायो। मेरो घरमा टोयलेट पनि दिएको छ, जुठोले पनि दिएको छ। अब अहिले त्यतिखेर अहिले हामीहरुको घरमा त्यतिखेर बिमारी हुन सक्दैन।
It has also been working in community health programs like maternal and child health activities, as well as pandemic preparedness programs to tackle newly emerging health threats like bird flu, H1N1 and HIV and AIDS.
म रेड क्रसमा गएँ, त्यहाँ रेड क्रस साहबले भन्नुभयो कि अनि मैले भने कि अनि मिटिङ बस्यो, मिटिङ बस्दाखेरि अनि लोग्ने इन्डियामा मरेको अनि भनेर भन्नुभयो। त्यहाँ मेरो बिराम पत्ता लागेपछि अनि म त भन्छु अनि प्रकष्टै अनि अब सहयोग गर, अब राम्रै गर, अब 2 फेर मलाई नेपालगञ्ज लग्यो।
The Nepal Red Cross Society has been operating eye care services through institutional and community-based mechanism. Till date, more than 800 people have benefited by the provision of artificial limbs. Using its experience in disaster response and health, the Nepal Red Cross Society has been involved in responding to public health emergencies such as cholera outbreaks. To reduce discrimination in the community and to promote respect for human dignity, the Nepal Red Cross Society is implementing programs focusing on women, children, disadvantaged and marginalized groups, along with people living with HIV.
पुरुषहरूले दबावमा राखेका थिए, त्यति अहिले दबावमा राखेका छैनन्, स्वतन्त्र छन् र आफ्ना मनमा लागेको कुराहरू भन्न सक्छन्।
It also disseminates non-discrimination messages, including Red Cross principles, humanitarian values, and the international humanitarian law to the population through radio and street dramas. In youth camps, diverse young people, including girls, youth with disabilities, or from marginalized groups, share their stories.
र प्रत्येक वडाहरुमा हामीले अनि आवश्यकता अनुसार युवाहरु अनि बाल शिक्षाहरु अनि जातीय भेदभाव सम्बन्धी क्लासहरु लिने अनि र त्यहाँका युवा शक्तिहरुलाई चाहिँ भेदभाव रहित समाज बनाउनको निम्ति एउटा युवा शक्ति परिचालन गरेर हामीले उहाँलाई सक्रिय बनाउँदै आइरहेका छौं।
Approximately 45,000 trained volunteers have regular involvement for delivering Red Cross services not only in the cities but also in difficult rural communities.
We initiated our Red Cross Youth in 2005. We just went to our district chapter, that's Kathmandu district chapter, and some of the youth interested in volunteering to the society and to the different people, they joined together in Trichandra Multiple College, that is the College of Arts, and they just initiated with some procedures, legal procedures in the Red Cross, and we established our Red Cross over here.
The Nepal Red Cross Society is a democratically governed institution and holds General Assembly meetings every year to plan mid-term and long-term policy and strategies.
सबभन्दा पहिलो प्राथमिकता त महिलाहरूलाई रेड क्रसमा कसरी समावेश गर्ने र सदस्यता कसरी वृद्धि गर्ने अनि नेपाल रेड क्रसमा लैंगिक विभेद नहोस् भनिकन भनेर त्यसमा कार्यक्रम गरेका छौं।
In compliance with its fundamental principles, the Nepal Red Cross Society is committed to relieve human suffering by providing essential services and facing the challenges that lay ahead.